what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hey there, we're making green pozole. We're gonna start by boiling our hominy with the liquid it comes in, half an onion, and all our cloves of garlic. Once you get that boiling, you're gonna want to boil in a separate pot some garlic cloves, your tomatillos, your jalapenos, and your pasilla peppers. This is what they look like after they've been boiling. You want them soft and discolored. We will blend this up, and this will make the green sauce for your green pozole. Don't forget to add salt and pepper to taste, just to have it well seasoned. You taste throughout to test it out for seasoning. Add some cilantro, blend it up, and this is what it looks like. Once it's nice and blended and smooth, you're going to add it to your hominy that's boiling on the stovetop. I like to add dark chicken more so than white because it adds a little bit of flavor from the fat. But this is what it will start looking like after you've added your chicken and your green sauce. You're going to want to cook it for quite a while. Sometimes the longer the better. As far as toppings, we do lime, cabbage, onion, and sometimes a little bit of chopped jalapeno or cilantro, depends. This is pretty much your preference. So whatever you want to top it with, you can do. Of course, I like to make some fresh salsa to go with it, serve it with some corn chips on the side, but this is what it looks like. It's just so cozy and yummy and perfect for the winter. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.